What is up, you guys? I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm with Faiz today and we are at the old Jurong Bird Park. Why I say this is gonna be old is because there will be a new one. By the time you watch this video, this may be an old Jurong Bird Park because they are moving. They are moving to the zoo, near the zoo. Yeah. Let's go, Faiz.
Let's go.
We are here at the ticketing booth. For some reason, we are getting the 1-year ticket because it's the same price as a day ticket. We got a 1-year pass to the bird park. So one ticket price here is 30 Singapore dollars. 30 for me, 30 for him. Where do we start first? Is there a map or something? Let's do the penguin. The penguins. Penguin Coast. Ooh, it's dark in here. I just realized that penguin, when they're sleeping, they stand and sleep. Most birds do that. Birds sleep when they're standing. Oh look, this guy swimming. That penguin area, it's really cool. It's very cooling, really. It's air conditioned.
It's literally cool.
And this guy is making lots of noise. Look at that. Lots of parrots there. We finally got the map. We are not lost anymore, Faiz.
We got flamingos right there.
Where? Oh, flamingos! It's a kids' playground. It's a kids' play area. Let's give them a brief tour of it.
Alright.
Birds of play. The entrance is here. Let's go, man. What's this? A chill out area?
How is it?
It's very comfortable. It's air conditioned, it's bean bags, it's all I could ever ask for. Okay, let's end the vlog here. Guys, there's a water park here!
Yeah. You ready to go?
No, I'm not ready. I mean, I wish. It's hot, but it's pretty cool, right? Kids playground here. Not too bad.
The annual pass?
Yeah.
You can bring your kids here every day.
Yeah. We should get Shaq to bring his kids here.
Yeah.
We are coming to the big flamingo lake. Look at how huge this flamingo lake is. Guys, that's a lot of flamingo, guys.
I hope you're nearer.
So this is the pelicans, the pelican lakes.
Do you think we can get up there?
What?
Do you think we can get up there?
Yeah, we can. It's for staff only.
You don't want to get too close, you're going to get pecked.
I don't want him to bite me. I tell you guys, I am super glad that today isn't hot at all. Look, no sun.
And it's windy as well.
Yeah, good day for the bird park today. Now we go to Parrot Paradise. Wow.
These are the macaws.
Yeah, look at that, they are over there. Tiny over there.
What are these?
Golden cornel. Hello. Hey. They're so friendly. They're making out. Look at them. Sharing is caring. Why is it that they have very difficult names? These birds are shy.
What are these, man?
I feel so stressed because Faiz keeps asking me, what is this bird? What is this bird? And I don't know what to say because I'm not a bird expert. This is a yellow shoulder Amazon.
Yellow is called what again? Corneos. Is it? sweat.
He's stressing me. Look, I'm sweating because he's stressing me. They're all corneals.
Is it?
Okay, he's gonna ask me what is this again.
These are noisy.
It is very noisy.
Hey, I think say hi to you.
Hi.
Hey. Yes.
Birds are dinosaur, Faiz. You know that?
Descendants of dinosaurs.
Yeah, they are. I believed in the theory of evolution. I think the last time I was here, it was during my photography days. I used to come here to take photos of birds. And that was like 5-6 years ago. And now it has changed a lot. And it's so much bigger. There's so much more birds. Look at that. Wow. Faiz, look at these guys. They're so cute.
Yeah.
They're pretty as well.
Lionel, what's this?
It's a tram. Be careful. There's a waterfall here. Let's go.
Let's go.
Here is probably the highlight of the Jurong Bird Park. I remember there's a really, really nice man-made indoor waterfall here. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go check it out. Seriously, this waterfall is amazing, but we can go to the top. There's a bridge on the top that goes higher up to the waterfall. I mean, not up to the waterfall, but you get a better view.
Hey. Yes.
Oh, look, there's a bird here. See? Isn't this waterfall nice, Thais?
Yep.
Have you been here before?
Once, but that was like a long time ago.
This place is amazing, guys. You get birds flying past you all the time.
Hey, look. Stairs.
Oh, there's a lot of stairs there. Oh well. Closer to the waterfall. Yeah. See? But this is really cool.
Are we going to the bridge now?
Yeah, we go to the bridge now.
Alright, let's go.
This place is really nice, isn't it, Faiz?
Yep.
It's like nicer than the park, isn't it?
It's the indoor park, isn't it?
The indoor park, yeah. Yeah, they have all these like netting things so that the birds don't fly out, right?
Or other predators can't get in as well.
Right. Other like big birds like eagles or whatever come and attack the other smaller birds.
Singapore has a lot of Brahmini eagles.
Really?
Yeah, Brahmini kites, I think they call.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, Lionel, we're back down here again. I thought we were going to the bridge.
Yeah, the bridge is here.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, there it is.
Yeah, the bridge is just here. Careful, watch your step. Don't fall. I'm worried about my camera, not you. Big. I'm following the peacock, Big. Last time Vic told me to chase the peacock, and now I'm up and close with the peacock. Faiz,
Yeah.
you have a problem here.
Why do I do this?
The bird likes you. Likes your phone.
Yeah, it's trying to. Oh no, I think it bit through my phone case. Look,
You took your phone case.
it went through my phone case. Time for me to get a new phone case.
The one thing good about the bird park is that the birds gets close to you.
Yeah. Actually, the pigeons in Orchard Road actually do get close to you. You give them food.
But that's illegal, remember? Not feeding the pigeons in Singapore.
It's illegal. You're caught.
Don't learn from this guy. This guy.
Hey Lionel, look. Dinosaur descendants.
There's a dinosaur. There's a dinosaur. Over there.
But it's alone. It's lonely.
Well, they are supposed to move in herds. But this is a loner.
Yeah. What a sad case. Did you know that these emus had a war against the Australians?
Really?
Yeah.
And who won?
The emus did.
So we lost the war.
We didn't, but the Australians did.
Oh, the Australians. Yeah.
Yep, these guys right here are pests to the Australians.
Really?
Yep, they're considered pests.
Well, they look like dinosaurs. Furry dinosaurs.
Pests.
Yeah.
Yeah, kangaroos are also considered pests over there.
Saurus crane. Saurus crane.
Saurus or Sarus.
I tell you, birds, they have the hardest names.
Oh, Lionel. Should we go to the left side?
Bird Discovery Center.
Yep.
Let's do it. Should always be careful with this kind of stuff. You don't want to get run over by a tram. The next day, the news headline.
Boy was tram.
No, not boy, guy. I'm not a boy no more. You boy. Boy dies, run over by a tram in the bird park.
Trampled would be nicer.
Yeah, trampled. Trampled in the bird park. It's huge. Look at it. It's taller than me.
Taller than us both.
So it's like a bird museum here.
Yep.
Show you all the types of eggs, more eggs, the types of bird nests here, fossils.
I don't think these are fossils. These are
bones. Okay. Feathers.
feather duster, literally.
No, it's a fan.
Oh yes, it's a fan.
Oh my god! There's this giant bird cage. Faiz,
Yes.
is this the next exhibit that we have to go?
Yep, like aviary, I think it's the wings of Asia.
Into that giant bird cage. Pool. And then we got a pool again. Don't let any birds out. We'll go on the left side first. Whoa! So over here you get ducks. You get the chicken, noisy chicken. We're probably gonna have KFC after this. Ooh, lots of birds. You see that? A lot of birds flew by us. Goes all the way down. What a nice place for all the birds. Oh man, that's a voucher. Turkey voucher. Up there. There's an eagle there. It's an eagle. It's called the Philippine eagle. Lorry loft. It's so nice. It's air conditioned here. the one thing I learned from today is that the birds, they like flies. All the birds, they go on to you. They never come to me, licking you in the ear and yeah, weird.
The bird whisperer.
You're the bird whisperer, alright. There are a lot of different type of bird species in this world.
I think we got most of it.
That's a lot. A lot of big bird cage here. Look at that. Huge, huge cages. Would you like to be in my vlogs? I enjoy this place. I had fun.
We can always go again.
Yeah, we are members of the bird park for no reason, but yeah.
I can go and visit my pet bird again.
I think we have finished the bird park. It's just that we didn't watch the bird show. There's a bird park show at the amphitheater.
Yes.
We didn't do that because it was like at 3 o'clock and we want to cover most of the bird park. Maybe we can come back and watch the show because we are annual pass holder.
Yep.
But this place is only going to last for another year. Well, two years.
Yeah, that's good enough.
I mean, it's the end of 2020 and then they'll move to the other side near the zoo.
Yep, and die.
Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog and I will see you in the next one. You guys keep smiling. See ya!
Bye bye.
Squirrel! Faiz is saying like this is the bow down bird. You bow and he bows to you.
My hands to be face to face, but it's moving away from me.
He doesn't want to bow to you. He doesn't want to give you respect. Stop bowing to me. Oh, look at this. It actually works. He's coming to Faiz now. No way. No way.
Come on, yeah, come on.
Is he gonna bow to you?
Come on, let's
Is he?
come on. Come around.
No.
No. Stay there, stay there. No, you need to stay there before it bows. Yeah. Wait for it to bow. Come on. Stop.
He
No,
is
no,
not
no.
bowing. Bow. Bow.
No, he doesn't care. Goodbye.
We are like just two idiots trying to bow to that stupid bird. Are you serious? They will bow back to you?
Yep. Yes.